Navien and Rheem are two of the leading tankless water heater brands, both known for their energy efficiency and on-demand hot water delivery. Let's examine the key differences between these two industry leaders, starting with their flagship products and core technologies. Navien often leads in efficiency with its advanced condensing technology and dual heat exchangers, achieving up to 98% efficiency. Rheem emphasizes durability and user-friendly installation, with their latest models reaching up to 96% efficiency. Now let's look at specific standout models from each brand and their key specifications. Navien's NPE 240A2 stands out with an impressive UEF rating of 0.96 and a high flow rate of up to 11.2 gallons per minute, plus smart technology integration. Rheem's iconic series features advanced smart controls with Wi-Fi capability, easy upgrade options, and a built-in recirculation pump for instant hot water. When choosing between these brands, it's crucial to consider flow rate requirements based on your household's hot water needs. Flow rate, measured in gallons per minute, determines how much hot water your tankless heater can deliver simultaneously to multiple fixtures in your home. Finally, let's examine the heat exchanger technology that makes these units so efficient. Both Navien and Rheem commonly use stainless steel heat exchangers, which offer superior corrosion resistance and longer lifespans compared to copper alternatives, making them ideal for long-term reliability. Both brands excel in different areas. Navien leads in efficiency with advanced condensing technology, while Rheem focuses on durability and ease of installation. Your choice should depend on your specific efficiency requirements, household size, and installation preferences. When choosing between tankless water heaters, three critical factors determine the best value: efficiency, reliability, and cost. Understanding these aspects helps you make an informed decision for your home. Tankless water heaters deliver significant efficiency advantages over traditional tank systems. They can be up to 34% more efficient, translating to substantial energy cost savings over time. Look for high uniform energy factor ratings of 0.95 or higher, along with Energy Star certification. These ratings qualify you for potential rebates and ensure maximum efficiency. When comparing costs, Rheem models generally tend to be more affordable than Navien units. However, both brands offer excellent value when you factor in long-term energy savings and reliability. Reliability is backed by strong warranty programs. Navien offers a 15-year warranty on heat exchangers, while Rheem provides up to 12 years on heat exchangers and 5 years on parts. Both brands are embracing the future with smart home integration for remote control and energy management. Rheem is also leading environmental initiatives, focusing on reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 50%.